Hey, welcome back to another video from Between CAD Classes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate settings from an older version of AutoCAD to a newer version once you've installed it. In my particular case, I'm going from AutoCAD 2024 to 2025, but this process has worked for many years, so you can apply this to older versions as well. I just installed AutoCAD 2025, so when I launch it for the first time, I should be given the option to migrate some settings. I'll go ahead and launch AutoCAD 2025. As you can see, the Migrate Custom Settings dialog box pops up. And you can also see the types of things that I can migrate from the earlier version. I've got user profiles, so if you've set custom colors, custom folder shortcuts, you can bring those in. The CUI, so if you've created custom commands or custom tool palettes as well, we can bring those across. Template files, plot files, and then shape files can also be brought in. So initially this is pretty easy. Decide what you want to bring in and then click the checkbox to go ahead and bring those over to the newer version. But what happens if you cancel out of this? You can now see that I am in AutoCAD 2025, and once again I did not choose to bring those settings over, and from now on when I start AutoCAD 2025 I'm not going to get that dialog box again. You kind of have one chance initially to say that you want to bring those settings over. So what if you do not say that you want to bring those settings over? You can choose that option again. However, you don't actually do it inside the AutoCAD software. So I'm going to close AutoCAD. And I'm going to go down to my Windows Start menu, point to my AutoCAD 2025 folder, and inside here, I will find the option to migrate from a previous release. I'll select that, and you will see that I'm going to get the exact same dialog box that I had earlier. So if I do want to go ahead and bring all of these things over, I'll go ahead and click my check mark now. And now any custom profiles, any edits to the CUI or tool palettes, etc. will be brought into my new version of AutoCAD. I can see the little pop-up window letting me know that they've been migrated. I have the option to view a log file, but I'll just go ahead and click no. And now if I go ahead and launch AutoCAD 2025, I will have all of the settings migrated over from the previous version. So once again, you will be presented with the option to migrate when you run it the first time. If you decline, you can always go back to your Windows menu, your AutoCAD installation folder, and then migrate from the previous release. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.